The world is changing faster than ever as artificial intelligence redefines every human value. To survive this era, you don't need a faster processor, you need steel. In 2026, the noise of technology will be deafening. Only those with a grounded spirit and an unshakable mind will rise above the digital chaos surrounding us all. These are the 25 Stoic habits designed to forge your character into a weapon of success. Prepare yourself for the ultimate journey of self-mastery and inner power. Welcome to the era of Fortitude. Today we begin building the discipline required to dominate the year 2026 and reclaim control over your destiny and your future. Habit 1. Wake up before the dawn. Own the silence of the early hours to claim your victory before the rest of the world even starts their day. Habit 2. Take a freezing cold shower. This immediate shock trains your mind to endure discomfort and prepares your nervous system for the battles that lie ahead. Habit 3. Write your morning journal. Empty your fears and organize your thoughts on paper to achieve absolute mental clarity before facing the complexity of the modern world. Habit 4. Dress with extreme minimalism. Reduce your daily choices to save your precious mental energy for the decisions that truly define your wealth and your impact. Habit 5. Complete your hardest task during the first hour. Confront the monster early so that the rest of your day is fueled by the momentum of victory. Habit 6. Engage in high-intensity training daily. Remind your body that your mind is the master, building physical strength that mirrors the resilience of your inner spirit. Habit 7. Silence all useless notifications. Do not let a device dictate your attention. Protect your focus as if it were the most valuable asset you own. Habit 8. Practice memento mori. Keep a symbol of death nearby to remind yourself that time is finite and every single second must be lived with purpose. Habit 9. Focus only on what you can control. Let go of the global chaos and external opinions and master the small circle of your own actions. Habit 10. Accept adversity as part of the plan. When life gets difficult, do not complain. Instead, see the obstacle as the very path toward your growth. Habit 11. Stop explaining yourself. Let your results be your voice. In a world of loud talkers, the man of action is the one who truly leads. Habit 12. Disable your reaction. Enable your observation. When triggered, pause and watch your emotions instead of letting them drive your behavior into regretful territory. Habit 13. Spend 30 minutes in absolute silence every day. In the void of noise, you will finally hear the truth of your own soul's direction. Habit 14. Read ancient books. Seek wisdom that has survived thousands of years, for it is more reliable than the fleeting trends of the digital age. Habit 15. Use AI as a tool, not a crutch. Master the technology to amplify your human potential without losing your ability to think for yourself. Habit 16. Train your critical thinking. In a sea of misinformation, your ability to discern truth is the only shield you have against manipulation and falsehood. Habit 17. Face your greatest fear once a week. By systematically exposing yourself to what scares you, you become an unstoppable force that cannot be broken. Habit 18. Keep every promise you make to yourself. Self-trust is the foundation of confidence. Never betray your own word, no matter how small the task. Habit 19. Perform a nightly self-audit. Ask yourself honestly if you conquered your ego today. Be your own toughest judge to ensure constant and rapid improvement. Habit 20. Turn every obstacle into fuel. Whatever stands in your way is not a barrier. It is the energy you need to climb even higher. Habit 21. Never complain about your circumstances. The Stoic king knows that complaining is a leak of power. Take responsibility and change your reality through action. Habit 22. Seek intentional discomfort. Sleep on the floor or skip a meal occasionally to prove that you can thrive even when luxury is stripped away. Habit 24. Give value without seeking anything in return. Your character is measured by what you provide to the world when no one is watching you. Habit 25. Live as if this is your only chance to be human. Every breath is a gift. Do not waste your potential on triviality or fear. The year 2026 does not belong to the weak or the distracted. It belongs to those who have forged a mind of steel. Your campaign begins now. Will you be a victim of the times or the master of your soul? Choose your path today. Start these habits now or remain a follower forever.